Ready and action.
That was it. Huh.
Because you know where to look anyway, so we can have them here so they can watch your
Basically
performance.
split the lens, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the cameras will be standing there, so you'll have the whole floor to, you know, it's just. He was like, there was no real, like, you know.
Three, two,
they can go on the back and you go on the front.
And that's where they want it. They kind of.
Okay, set, and action. And 3, 2, 1, hit!
Gentlemen, these two prisoners will lead us to the Trident.
Prisoners? I convinced your men to save you. Paid them with my own silver. We had a deal.
Your mother's bloomers.
6 is my final offer.
Ready, 3, 2, 1,
Because we're at a distance and, you know, with the sword and all, that's really cool.
Okay.
So also when you get angry, you can
Okay.
Yeah. Bump it
play
up.
with that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
ready, and action!
Where is she? Where is she?
What are you doing?
Looking for my father, even though I know he's not there.
Just because you can't see something doesn't mean it's not there.
Like the map.
I have to find it. It's the only thing that links me to who I am, who my father was.
So we've both spent our lives searching for our fathers. What are you doing?
Preparing to swim.
Swim.
Whatever's on that boat is after Jack, and Jack is on this boat, so I'm going to swim for it.
How dare you do exactly what I would do if I were you?
Queen, stop that.
No, don't stop there.
This has gone far enough.
It has not. Don't listen to him, you know. Just keep carrying on. Go on. Why? She was almost finished. You ruined it. You've ruined it.
Okay, we're set, ready, and action!
Help me.
Elderly. Guys, can we rotate a little clockwise? Ready, and action!
Help me! Help!
Karina!
Henry, help me!
Help her!
I can do something.
Go on.
And action.
Hello.
Okay, one more time.
Set, and action!
saying more. Saying more.
You should pay for what you did to me.
I really have no time to chat because my maps has run away. So.
I will be waiting for you.
You're leaving, that's it.
I love you, my brother.
I love you. Let me give you a hug.
I love you, my brother.
See you soon.
My love to little Penelope and the babies and
And also, when you say she was a fine ship,
yes.
take it a bit more in before you say your, like think about it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's enough for now. So let's play the downbeat at 29, I think.